Good morning. Welcome to your Wednesday, March 7th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have a area of low pressure that's just off our coastline. It is going to be intensifying it throughout this morning into the afternoon, be providing us with some light shower activity this morning. Those showers should pretty much dissipate as we get close to the noontime hour, but our winds will begin to increase out of the northwest later this morning into the afternoon hours. So it looks like we will be in wind advisory criteria as we head into this afternoon, as we're expecting winds to gust between 30 to 35 miles per hour this afternoon, as this area of low pressure continues to move off the northeast coastline and intensify as it does push farther northeast. Current satellite radar imagery, we do have some light shower activity moving through the region. Some very light showers, and winds right now shifting north to northeasterly, eventually becoming more northwesterly as we go throughout this morning. Temperatures hovering in the mid-40s, but as that low begins to intensify, we'll expect cooler temperatures to actually be advected back into the region as the upper level and lower level winds begin to increase. That'll push a colder air mass over the region and allow our temperatures to start to drop off, and it looks like that'll happen right after the noontime hour. So currently, as of 8 a.m., we had an overcast layer at 500 feet with 6 statute mile visibility and some mist. Northeasterly wind at 5 knots with a temperature of 48 degrees. For the next 24 hours, or I should say for the next couple hours here this morning, we will have a likely scenario of some light rainfall moving through the area. That'll carry through about noon, the 12 p.m. hour. Winds also look like they will be increasing throughout this morning. It looks like we'll stay below that wind advisory criteria, and then right around noontime we'll start to see those winds really begin to pick up. It looks like we'll have a max gust of around 27 knots this morning, or this afternoon, excuse me, with sustained winds at about 13 to 18 knots, and we'll also have ceilings hovering right around that 500-foot level. Could potentially be dropping below that 500-foot level, but ceilings will rise as we get closer to noon, expecting ceilings to be around 1,000 feet by 1 o'clock this afternoon. With that shower activity moving out of the region, we'll have a broken layer at 1,000 feet, overcast at 3,000, and then ceilings will really just be hovering around 1,000 to 2,000 feet throughout a good part of the day. As we get towards the later portions this afternoon, we may even see some blue sky make its way over the area, but it'll be few and far between. We're expecting mostly cloudy to overcast skies this afternoon and fairly breezy conditions. Temperatures also dropping off. Expecting our high temperature to be around 48 degrees today, and then they'll be dropping back down into the mid to lower 40s this afternoon to the early evening time frame. As that area of low pressure pushes farther offshore and off to our northeast, those winds will begin to die down, and expecting temperatures to drop down into the lower 40s to the upper 30s. And clouds will also be decreasing. We'll have some upper level energy rotating through the area later this evening. Could see a slight chance of a light rain shower. That'll mainly be between 7 and 9 p.m. this evening. Then clouds really begin to clear out, mostly clear skies throughout the overnight hours. Temperatures bottoming out at around 34 degrees overnight. Then as we go into our day on Thursday, we'll have high pressure building over the region. It'll be mostly sunny and slightly breezy with increasing cloudiness during the evening. We'll have a high of 46 degrees. Thursday night, mostly cloudy and seasonable with a low of 33 degrees. And then for our day on Friday, partly cloudy and breezy with a high of 48 degrees. Well, that'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you at 10 a.m. for your extended outlook. Have a great day.